Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video in Azure Data Factory playlist. So today we are going to learn about what is copy data tool in Azure Data Factory. So we have a tool available for us to perform our copy activity easier. So we can able to provide the configuration inside the graphical interface of the tool, and you can able to perform the ingestion of your data from your source to the destination in a clear manner. So in our previous videos we have learned what is an integration runtime, linked to service, or datasets. So those are core concepts of Azure Data Factory. So if you haven't watched those videos, please watch that videos before these playlist. So let us get into the video. So in our demonstration we are going to perform copy activity between the Azure Blob Storage and the ADLS Gen 2. So let me give a quick overview of ADLS Gen 2 and Blob Storage. So both are a storage service provided by Azure, where you can able to store your files securely with a high security for your data storage, and it is highly scalable. So you can able to store your unstructured or semi-structured files, audios, videos, anything in the blob storage or ADLS Gen 2 account. So the main difference between the blob and the ADLS Gen 2 is that you can able to store your files in a hierarchical format in the ADLS Gen 2 account. So you can able to configure any access layers based on your business needs for your storage accounts, and you can able to enable backup recovery policy for your storage accounts. So with these help of storage accounts, we are going to perform the copy data tool demonstration over today. So let me walk through the architecture. So we have an Excel file available in ADLS Gen 2, which is preloaded inside the ADLS Gen 2 account inside a container. So we are going to use the copy data tool to create the copy activity for us to move the file to the Azure Blob Storage. So let us get into the Azure Portal and start our live demonstration. So now we are under the Azure Portal. So let me click on this Azure Data Factory that we have created in previous video. So we can click on Launch Studio. So now we are inside the Azure Data Factory portal. So inside this, in the Home tab, you can find the ingest, which is the copy data tool, where you can able to perform the copy activity in an organized manner. So let me just click on this ingest. So this will opens me the copy data tool. So in this you can find the built-in copy activity and also a metadata driven copy task. So the metadata driven task is nothing but you can able to parameterize your copy activity, and you can able to pass the value dynamically through the pipeline run. So this is the advanced level of copy activity. So let us first learn about what is the basic level of copy activity we can able to perform with this copy data tool. So you can able to provide the schedule. So if you need to run the pipeline immediately, you can just click on this. If you need to schedule this, you can just click on schedule, and you can able to provide and on what date or time you need to run this pipeline, or if you need to provide based on a tumbling window based on a particular window of time, you can able to perform this. So I just need to run this immediately. So let me just click on next. So in this you can just select the source type. So in this you can only select for the particular resources, and so you can create a new datasets. So let me click on ADLS Gen 2 account over here, and then let me just create a new data linked service. So you can able to use the existing linked services as well. So you can also drop down this to get all the linked services. So quickly let me create a new one. So let me rename this as linked service copy data tool ADLS. So here let us keep it as auto resolve integration runtime, and keep this as access key authentication, and let me select my subscription, and under this let me select the ADLS account that is created under my subscription. Let me click on test connection. So the connection is successful. Let me create this. So once it is created, let me just browse. inside the folder under this sample container, under the demo. So inside this I have the text.xl file. So let me click on OK. So also you can able to provide the binary copy, recursive or partition discovery. So recursive will recursively iterate all the files inside the path. So we can just click on next. So under this you can able to provide the value. So if you need any compression for your file, you can able to specify this over here in if there is any in the source, and you can able to provide the copy activity. So if you are going to perform sheet wise copy or based on some index, you can able to specify it here. So I am going to perform with the name, and let me select the sheet name, which is the salary, and you can also provide the range of the data that you are going to copy. So if you need any additional columns, you can able to provide this here. You can just click on new column, and then you can able to add this. So this will appear in your destination as well. So just delete this and click on next. So under this, let me filter out ADLS or blob storage. So you can find all the blob connections over here. Let me just click create a new connection. Take this as linked service. Rename this as linked service, copy data tool, blob. So let it be Azure Auto Resolve Integration Runtime and account key. So let me select my subscription and my blob storage. So let me hit on test connection. So connection is successful. So let me click on create. So let me just browse. Let me select this sample container and click OK. So I need the file name as sample file.csv. So you can able to provide the copy behavior as well. So if you need as merge files or flatten hierarchy, so you can able to provide those here, and you can able to provide the max concurrent connections. Also you can able to provide the metadata also. So let me just keep this as it is and click on next. In this format configuration, so you can provide, so this is a comma delimited CSV file, so it is separated with comma, and you can able to provide the maximum rows per file. So as the destination is going to be a CSV, so if I have 10 rows in the Excel file, so if I provide this as maximum rows 5, then 2 CSV files will be created for me. So you can also provide the file name prefix for this partition as well. So let me just click on next. So under this you can able to provide the name for the pipeline. So let me name this as pipeline copy data tool ADLS to blob. So you can able to provide logging or staging for your copy data. So let me just click on next. So here you can find the overview of your configuration that you have provided. So you can verify the configurations, and once you have verified the configurations, you can just click on next. So this will validate if there is any error in your configurations. So once it is success, it will just deploy the datasets, and then it will create the pipeline, and automatically it will trigger and run the pipeline. So you can just create the copy activity with the help of this copy data tool. So now let us get into the author tab, and here under this you can find the pipeline CDT ADLS to blob, which we have created now with the help of copy data tool. Once you can open this, you can find the copy activity which is available for us. Just like in our actual configurations, here is the source, and the destination datasets created for us with the help of this copy data tool. So let me click on this. So here you can find the ADLS and blob linked services that we have created with the copy data tool. So this ingest copy data tool is highly helpful for you to get started with this copy activity in Azure Data Factory. So you can able to provide all the configurations steps over the single endpoint, and you can run those pipelines as a copy activity. So I hope this will be helpful for you. Please like and share with your friends and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.